In this video, I'm going to show you how to do commissions in Once Human. So there's actually two ways of doing it, and both of them are very easy. Now the first one, and probably the most straightforward one, is to hold down your tab key on your keyboard and summon V by directing the mouse towards him. Once it's summoned, you want to interact with him, and click over here or press F when it says View Commissions. In here, you'll see all your weekly commissions. I've done all of them, as you can see, so I have none right now. However, that's how you can do them the easiest way. Now, that's one of the ways, but the second one is to come to one of these bigger areas. My map isn't loading in for some reason. There we go. You can come to one of these bigger kind of diamond looking areas, which are save zones, and inside these zones, if you click on them, you'll be able to find someone who you can do commissions at. So it says authorized publisher below it, and it has kind of these note next to him, okay? So if you want to find them inside the city, you can click on them and press track, and you'll be able to track them. So as you can see, I'm now at this town over here, which is called the Greywater Camp, and we have Loretta over here, which you can do tasks at. As you can see, you can do the exact same tasks. However, if you're just next to it, it may be logical to walk up to this person, to this character, and view commissions at him. However, if you are inside your base or anywhere else, it wouldn't make sense to do anything else than just summon V and just simply interact and view your commissions on the spot. So, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.